From that to this, that's the question. I bought this after I found out from the service place that this was all rusted out. He basically more or less told me not to drive it. He says that this strut tower under here is so rusted, and you can tell there's hardly any clearance there. I'm going to show you how bad the rust has gotten back here. That hole was there when I bought it. And as you can see, that's all screwed up back here. It's all rusted. This floor has really started to fall through, and as you can see, you know, it's all rusted out. This is only a matter of time for this hole. See, we got many holes here. Only a matter of time before it all falls out. So, I've sold this to a man who's going to derby it. And we shall find out how well this car does. If I can get to the derby, I will videotape part of it and let you know, or edit the video. But I think I'll show you this new car now. Pretty sweet. Huh? I'll be in a minute. Pretty sweet. Does have some miles on her. But I can tell you this car does run really good. Heck, even got a remote for the stereo now. It's got a nice deck that came with it, and it's going to stay with it. Yeah, really nice car. It's a Z24.
Not every has AT&T, so they don't have to
Sounds pretty good. Really impressed with how well this car drives. It's got 178,000, but it drives like it's got a third less, even more yet. And I'd be wrong if I said it didn't have its fair share of rust problems. But 12 years old, it's a 96. But, yep, pretty sweet. Anyway, I suspect there'll be a drive video coming soon. I don't know when, because I work nights now, so we'll see. There she is.